Looking for a new TV? Let's compare two popular picks, the Sony Bravia 3 and the LG QNED 88. Which one should you buy? The Sony Bravia 3 is a basic LED TV. It's simple and gets the job done. The LG QNED 88 uses quantum dot technology with something called nanocell. This gives you brighter colors and better pictures overall. The Sony has good colors right out of the box, but it's not very bright. This makes it hard to watch in rooms with lots of light. The LG QNED 88 is much brighter and handles different lighting better. Winner here, LG. The LG supports HDR10 Pro, HLG, and Dolby Vision formats. It works with all your content. The Sony also does HDR, but the LG's quantum dots make color pop more. If you love watching movies, the LG has the edge. The Sony Bravia 3 is a basic 60Hz TV without HDMI 2.1 or VRR features. The LG QNED 88 has FreeSync, Game Optimizer, Auto Low Latency Mode, and variable refresh rate. Chroma gamers will prefer the LG hands down. Both TVs are smart. The Sony runs Google TV, which is clean and easy to use. The LG uses WebOS 24, which also works great. Both have all the apps you need. It's a tie here. The Sony has a upscale design with a sturdy stand and a remote made from recycled materials. The LG QNED 88 has a super slim design that looks modern. Both look good, so pick what you like. The Sony Bravia 3 is cheaper. It's a budget-friendly choice. The LG QNED 88 costs more, but gives you better tech and features. You get what you pay for. For casual watching on a budget, the Sony Bravia 3 works fine. But if you want better picture quality, gaming features, and brighter colors, spend a bit more on the LG QNED 88. It's the better TV overall. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.